Located at 5219 South, 265th West Avenue in Sand Springs, Oklahoma, this property combines substantial acreage with a large residential footprint, offering space, flexibility, and rural privacy without disconnecting from nearby towns and services. Set on approximately 10 acres of open pastured land, the home is positioned to provide quiet surroundings while remaining within short driving distance of Lake Keystone, Manford, and downtown Tulsa. The residence includes 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and approximately 3,946 square feet of living space, according to courthouse records. The layout features 3 separate living areas, allowing the home to function comfortably for a range of uses, including larger households, work from home needs, or multi-purpose living arrangements. The interior and exterior have both been freshly painted, giving the home a clean, updated presentation. The kitchen and bathrooms have been updated, maintaining a practical, modern feel without overcomplicating the design. Interior spaces are generously sized and arranged to support everyday living, rather than narrow or segmented layouts. The floor plan emphasizes separation between shared and private areas, making the home adaptable to different lifestyles while remaining straightforward to navigate. Outdoor living is a central part of the property. A large wraparound deck extends from the home and provides multiple vantage points over the surrounding acreage. The deck includes a gazebo equipped with water and electricity, allowing it to function as a usable outdoor space for dining, gatherings, or quiet time overlooking the land. The pastured acreage offers room for livestock, hobby farming, or maintaining open, usable ground without heavy tree coverage. Beyond the main parcel, the property includes optional expansions that add flexibility. An additional 6.7 acres, more or less, is available for purchase for buyers seeking more land. Separately, a 3,600 square foot workshop situated on approximately 3.7 acres is also available. This workshop creates opportunities for equipment storage, fabrication, business use, or large-scale projects without impacting the residential space. Utilities include access to both city water and fresh well water on the property, providing redundancy and long-term reliability. The home qualifies for FHA, VA, and conventional financing, making it accessible to a broad range of buyers. While the setting feels rural and open, the location remains practical. Lake Keystone is less than 10 minutes away, Manford is approximately 10 minutes from the property, and downtown Tulsa is reachable in about 20 minutes. This balance between space and accessibility defines the character of the property. Overall, this home is well suited for buyers seeking acreage, interior square footage, and optional expansion opportunities in a location that supports both privacy and connection to the greater Tulsa area.